This 2018 Ford Transit van is brought to you by Goble Used Auto Sales Corp. Visit Goble Used Auto Sales online at www.gobleUsedAutoSales.com to see more pictures of this vehicle, or call us at 973-824-8424 today to schedule your test drive. Financing options are available. Click on Apply for Credit and fill out the credit application as thorough as possible, and we number 039, LL reach out to you and let you know exactly what you qualify for. All advertised prices exclude government fees and taxes, any finance charges, any dealer document preparation charge, and any emission testing charge. The price for listed vehicles are for cash-only deals. The dealer reserves the right to charge an additional $1,000 for the price of the vehicle for financed deals. Any and all differences must be addressed prior to the sale of this vehicle. Visit us at gobleused.autosalescorp.b12soft.com.